Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about how the renowned actors of all countries speak very good English language. What are the things that support them to improve their English language? Are they talented? Are only the actors can speak the good English? Or other peoples also can speak the good English language? I am talking about non-native English countries where the first language is not the English language. If you are an actor and you are doing acting in your national language, you become famous in your country, and whenever international media come to you to get your interview, you will have to give that interview in English language. So when there are renowned people, actors, they might be actors, they might be players, they are willing to learn and improve the English language because they know that right now they are popular personalities and international media will contact them, international media will get their interviews. So they prepare themselves about that. Before coming into the field, they know the importance of English language. So some actors are already very good in English language before becoming the famous personalities, because they know the importance of the language, because they know that the medium where they are going will give them sudden popularity. And if they don't know the English language, I think that they will be ashamed, and people will laugh at them that you are too much popular and you don't know the English language. This is not important that every popular person is good in English language, but every popular person tries his best to learn the English language. So this is the reason that popular celebrities try to improve the English language. Such as you are player, you are playing with your national cricket team or any game of your country. There might be so many games popular in the world, and you know that when you will win the match, the media will come to you and journalists will ask questions in English language, and you will have to give the reply in English language, because you know that there are so many television networks, those are running their programs in English language. So they will make your interview in English language because this is the language of their channel. If a channel is in English language, his reporters will get your interview in English language. They will not get your interview in any other language. Only they will get your interview in any other language if you are not aware about this language, or if you are deaf about the language. Then they will make the translation. But the media give the preference to those people who directly speaks English language, who directly speak the English language. So right now you know that this is the global world, and you can become popular in any sphere, in any medium, any field of your, any walk of your life. Then you should prepare yourself. Don't prepare yourself that you will become the famous. Otherwise, if you know the English language, this will help you a lot. When, if you are a businessman, you want to do your business, you want to expand your business throughout the world, and if you know the English language, this will help you a lot. If you want to get the job on international level, there are so many companies, those prefer to those people who are good in English language. If you are not good, if you have the skills to work, but if you are not good in English language, perhaps you will be rejected, because communication is very important thing. When you cannot communicate, then you will waste the times of other people. Those will get a lot of time to understand what you are saying while doing any kind of job in any company. If you are not aware about the English language, others are speaking the English language, and you are speaking the broken language, you are not understanding whatever they are saying, then there might be the misunderstanding, and the other people will think that discussing with this person is the waste of the time. So if you want to improve yourself, if you want to grow your talent, if you want to go ahead in any field, then I think that you should get knowledge about the English language. You should try to improve the English language, otherwise you will fail in international levels affairs. If you are interested to do some kind of things limited to your country, those don't require any international language, then it's okay, don't learn. But you know that if you are living in your own countries, you have no plan to go abroad, but I think that then you should also learn the English language, because the social media, there are a lot of stuff in English language. Whenever you go through social media, you want to watch some things of your interest. Mostly stuff is in English language, although the stuff is in other languages. There are right now the facilities of subtitles or translation. You can make the translation of that thing, but if you directly know the language, it will help you a lot. So I think that English is the right now the best language, because people have made this the international language. Most of the things are in English language. Most of the media houses are telecasting their programs in English language. So this is compulsory for us to learn the English language. Otherwise we will fail in the work of life. We will not be able to get a lot of things. If we know the English language, then there is a probability of getting some higher thing. For example, if I am an artist and I am working in my national language, but by luck I become famous, I am the popular person of my country. Right now the Hollywood producers are approaching me, and they are asking me that we will give you chance in some Hollywood television programs or films. Then if I don't know the English language, first of all, I will not be able to communicate with them in proper way. That what they are sending me in messages, I cannot read or understand what they are saying. And if I get the chance, then there everybody you know that is speaking the English language, and you are not able to speak the language, then you will face a lot of problems. The luck is giving you the chance, but you are not able to improve yourself just because you don't know the English language. And if you know the English language, then perhaps if you work in any of international project, that project can give you the international popularity. Your fame will be on international level, and just because you don't know the English language, you will fail. You will get bored while doing the things, because you know that where there you are only person who is not aware about the language that so many other people are speaking, then you will feel bored. Others are speaking the language which you are not understanding, and this will the pressure on your mind. So if you want to explore the new things and new word, I think that you start now, right now, start learning the language and improve yourself in this language, and get the help from internet. Hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please like this video and give me suggestions below in comment box, so that we will make our other videos according to your suggestions. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.